Emi Nico Adventures.
Okay, so when it rains here in San Diego, which it doesn't rain that often, what we do is get on our rain boots. Yay! Are there any puddles? Come on, let's go see if there's puddles. Come on, let's go. Yay! Hey buddy, look, there's a little bit of water right there. It didn't rain that much, so whatever we can get. Splash, splash.
Splash, splash.
Got a little puddle. Oh, don't fall. He's losing his balance. Also, don't run with the boots. You're gonna fall, Bubs. Whoa. Whoa.
Nice job.
Awesome. Splash, splash. Only with those shoes, not any other shoes. Right, Emi? Are you splashing? Whoa. More little puddles. Whoa. Is that fun? Awa, he said. Yeah. Whoa, is that fun? The only piece of area we got a little bit of water in. Oh, don't fall. Awa. You're so pretty. Well, today we got a little bit of rain. We got a little splashing area for Emi. So we got his rain boots on. And I'm gonna play outside since it's not even cold. It stopped raining. And we're just here home. Just relaxing, enjoying this gloomy weather, which is kind of rare. And as many as you San Diegans know, when it rains, it's a bit crazy out there on the streets. There's a lot of car accidents, so be safe out there while you're driving, you know, because a little bit of rain, there's like a lot of accidents. You know how to jump, Emi, on the water? Jump, jump. Just don't fall. Don't fall. Yeah. Look at all those ants. Whoa. Just be careful that they don't get on you. Oh, you got ants on your shoes. Where is it? Okay. Jump, 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 jump. You got ants going in your pants. Oh man. Did they go inside? I hope not. Another little spot with water. Okay, Emi. What do you say? Bye. Bye. Say bye. Give it a thumbs up.
Bye.
like, subscribe, and see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.
Emi Nico Adventures.